we can have, just like in Python, we can have what are called calculated properties. So we have our bank account, we can have an owner and a balance. It's a very simple bank. We don't have a lot of depositors. We can create, notice we have two different ways we can create the bank account. And when we do a deposit, this is information coming in from the outside, so it's like a setter, but I named it deposit because that's more intuitive, right? And so if the amount is greater than zero, notice I have an input validation here. Because we're depositing, we can't deposit minus $10. That does not work. If the amount is greater than zero, we add that amount to our balance. And notice this plus equals works the same way as it does in Python. It accumulates. If they don't enter a positive number, I say, uh-oh, the amount to deposit has to be greater than zero. So we're calculating it. Same thing here. Now we're doing a withdrawal, which could be a setter also. And then I have get, I get the stuff. And if we run it, we'll see if I have any money in my bank or not. Oh, look at there, Paul Bunyan. You can't tell that I grew up in Minnesota, can you? I don't know who the Bob Robinson is. I just made that one up. But I thought Paul Bunyan should I need to have Babe the Blue Ox in there, don't I?
You know who the Blue Ox is from?
Oh, come on, you gotta know who